Welcome everybody to my art room. Today I'm going to do an oval dip on a piece of oval wood that I picked up at Walmart or the dollar store. And I've got a frame that I've taken the canvas off and I've stapled plastic on the bottom. So I'm going to use that as my dipping area. And I've got some nice colors. I've got Prism Violet, and I've got the Color Shift paint, which is a blue violet flash, and the Prism Violet is a basics. And I've got some yellow and a bit of turquoise, and some turquoise, which is the Bahama Blue by Deco Art Americana. So this time I'm going to do purple outline. There's no rules, just do whatever you feel like and see how it comes out, because they all are different, that's for sure. Now I've got some green. I'm going to do some leaves down here. And I'm going to remember to try and lift straight up, or if you can't, then I would do the bottom first and go that way. That way it looks more like this is the bottom. Okay, I think that should be enough. I'm going to put some white paint on here. Just to make sure it's thick enough, just so this has a wet surface. Now I was going to try and lift it. But I'm afraid can't show you because, well, I guess I could. Let me try this. I'll keep my hand there, but I'm trying to find air bubbles. I could pop them with a pin, but I don't have a pin. Let's see if I can do this. I'm just going to push on them. Next time I'll make sure I have a pin. That way the air will come out. But I'm just doing this for now. Okay, I'm going to flip it back over. And I'm just going to give it another little push. Try and lift it straight. Wow. Very pretty. See, I end up thinking that this should be the bottom because the green's down there, but all the flowers are facing upwards. So, oh, I don't understand. I guess if I lifted this first, it would have been different. But it still looks pretty. I love it. It's almost like the other one I did. Very similar. There you go. So these are going to be a pair. Get my heat gun and my torch. trick is, I guess there's a few spots that need a bit of white paint, but other than that, it's pretty good. The colors are awesome, and I think I love it. I do love it. It's awesome. All right, well, thanks for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this one. I love this technique. I think I'll be doing more. I'll put the dried result at the end. Have a great day, everybody. I'll put the dried result at the end. Have a great day, everybody. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.